Hi, I'm Janet Cater, co-author of the book Why Won't My Child Listen? And I'm just here today to just give you a few little tips and some sort of an idea of what you might find in a workshop, should you choose to come along to one, or in the book, if you choose to read it. The first tip I'm going to talk about is, in fact, why your child won't listen. And it's really important that when you are giving an instruction to your child or asking them to do something, that you avoid calling the instruction out from another room. It's important to walk into the room and preferably get the attention of your child by eye contact and then speaking to them quietly and calmly. Now, we need to know that it can often take 15 seconds for the child to respond. That's how long for children, particularly under 3 years of age, that it takes for them to hear the message, to compute it in their brain, and then to choose or not to do what you've asked. And so often, parents, I think the child's ignoring them or being naughty, and then, of course, the parent can become angry and start yelling and shouting, and that really doesn't work. So just try doing that, and there are more tips in the book and at the workshops on why your child won't listen, but that's just one tip for you today. The other thing that I'd like to give you a tip about is temper tantrums. We find this comes up in nearly every workshop. Parents want to know what to do about temper tantrums. There are many things that you can do to prevent them. And a lot of those are managing your child's level of boredom, tiredness, intake of food and intake of water will all reflect on how your child will behave when you're out and about, particularly at the shops. But the number one thing to remember is that whilst the child's having a temper tantrum, if they do go into the temper tantrum, then we cannot reason and we cannot engage their logical brain. We need to just be calm, take a few deep breaths and stand still, or touch your child or sit beside your child until the temper tantrum is passed. Take a few deep breaths. But they're in there, a part of the brain that we talk about in the book is their primitive brain. That's where they are in a temper tantrum. We call that Crocodile Charlie, and you cannot engage the logical brain. So deep breaths, patience and calm. And your calm energy will help the child to calm down more rapidly. Thank you.